S-VYASA. The whole atmosphere here in this Shanti campus is vibrating with one word, that is karma. Duty, duty, duty. We are all normal travelers, commuters. We are happy with our duties. Our mind is very much duty oriented. Karma is our life phenomenon, life formula. There are many types of people under the sun. Some people will be very happy while performing their duties. They are very duty-oriented people. Some people, they go for yoga. What yoga? It is channelization of mind. That becomes very important food for their life journey. While meditating, they forget everything, enjoy bliss, overcome all daily trivials. So, meditation makes them happy. They are fulfilled by channelizing their minds. They are dhyana-oriented people. And some people, they are jnana-oriented people. Knowledge is very important for them. That thirst of knowledge always is the guiding principle for their life journey. They gain knowledge. They enrich their knowledge every time. They are very much worried about the enrichment of knowledge. For that, they always approach great scholars, read many books, go for insightful research. That is how they make themselves very happy. That is how they live a very joyful, blissful life. But most of the people, we, you and I, we are karma-oriented people. We never ignore dhyana and jnana because that is the secret of karma. Even monkeys, donkeys also do work. They work instinct-oriented. They are instinct-oriented workers. They also work. They also do their duty. Nature guides them. Nature tempts them. That is how monkeys, donkeys, mosquitoes, all they do their duties. But these two important guiding principles are missing there. That is dhyana and jnana. They also channelize their minds. Many birds, while catching their food, fish, how much their mind is so much channelized, concentrated. But it is very much belly filling centered. They also channelize their minds while catching a rat. How much rat will be in the meditative posture? You can watch it. That is how it catches its prey. That much concentration it achieves while catching their food. That is how rats, cats also concentrate their minds. But the purpose of that is only filling their belly. We are not like that. Our dhyana, it is high because it is plugged to the highest power centers, that is God. That is why our dhyana is great dhyana. Otherwise, all other creatures also channelize their mind. Mere channelizing the mind is not dhyana. If we plug our mind to the highest power centers and channelize our mental energy, that becomes dhyana. That becomes meditation. With this type of meditation, when we do our work becomes, our duty becomes worthwhile. More and more divine, more and more spiritual. Otherwise, all creatures also, they just do their duty. They also work. That is how our work must be supported by these two factors. One is dhyana, another one is jnana, knowledge. And when we do our work, we human beings, we will have that insight, knowledge. With proper planning and preparation, homework, we do our duties. That is how our duty, our work, everything is supported by knowledge. So dhyana and jnana, meditation and knowledge, meditation and understanding. If these two are missing, then we become very, very, very mechanical workers. Somehow we will be doing something. That means it is not at all supported by dhyana and jnana, not at all plugged to any highest point. So it never fetches anything in future. There will be no proper aim and objective. That type of karma, no, it is not at all approved. It is not at all eco-friendly because we human beings, we are manavas. Manava means one who does his duty with manas, one who does his duty with proper understanding, one who does his duty with proper planning, one who does his duty with proper channelization of mind, one who does his duty plugging his mind to the highest power center. That is how we have to do duty. So karma is the main phenomenon, life formula on which now we are deliberating our minds for this whole Jnana Satra pre-conference. Here in this fourth chapter of Bhagavad Gita, we have to do some homework. We have to unearth many things. We have to make them public, people friendly. Gahana karmano gatihi. This is the statement in this particular chapter. In every chapter there will be a guiding principle or master keyword. That is what we can say. Keyword. Keyword. Yes, karma is the keyword for 2-3 chapters here. Third chapter, karma is the keyword. For fourth chapter, karma is the keyword. No doubt. But wonderful insight Krishna gives here for karma. In the third chapter, he supports that karma with one important keyword, that is yajna. Though karma is the keyword, in all these 2-3 chapters, 3rd, 4th, 5th, karma is supported by one more key, master keyword. For example, if karma, it is repeated many times in the 3rd chapter, and that chapter also called as Karma Yoga, the 3rd chapter of Bhagavad Gita. But the guiding principle for karma is yajna there, in the 3rd chapter. Yajna is the guiding principle for our karma duties. What is that yajna? It is eco-friendly life. Eco-friendly life is called yajna. So, while doing your duty, Krishna says, oh my friends, please know your nature. Know your nature. Having known your nature, opt for proper functioning. Otherwise, you will fall apart. What is that nature? We know we have our own distinct attitudes, distinct aptitudes, distinct area of interest, distinct capacities, distinct area of creativity, distinct, different, unique areas of knowledge, branches of knowledge, subject areas, domains for deliberation. All these things are different from person to person. That is why we are mushya. That we must know. Where I am strong, what is that merit God has bestowed upon me? That must be understood properly. Can I become successful in this particular area? That is where we have to apply our mind. Oh, God has given a very brilliant brain, which is good for mathematics. No, it is not good for mathematics. If not, it is good for understanding nature, science. If not, oh, my capacity is very good in language, so that the communication I can go for, there I can nurture and culture and enrich my capacity. That is how we have to examine our own merits and demerits, strong and weak points. That is called understanding our own nature. Having examined it objectively, if we select that particular domain for achievements, certainly we become successful. Otherwise, no. So that understanding our nature, Sahayajna praja srishtva purovacha prajapatihi anena prasavishyadhvam yesha vaha astu ishta kamadhuk. That is how Krishna gives this yajna concept in the 3rd chapter. Elaborately, he presents that varied forms of yajna. In this 4th chapter, where this particular statement is very, very guiding principle, very much guiding principle, there he gives 2 more keywords in the 4th chapter for supporting karma. What is that? Shraddha, and the second one, jnana. Shraddhavan labhate jnanam matparasanyate indriyaha. This statement also it is here in the 4th chapter. And last, very important statement, sarvam karma akhilam partha jnane parisamapyate. Jnane parisamapyate. Whatever the duties you perform, ultimately it must support your main component, that is jnana. You are human beings, that is why knowledge is the main paramount factor in your life. With that only you can be successful in your life journey. Without knowledge you cannot do. Your karma also will not be karma, it is only just rotten something every time rotated, repeated, rotated duties, they become rotten things as time passes. Any work, if it is repeated and always rotated, and naturally your mind becomes vulnerable to boredom, then you will be doing it without any meaning. No, just to avoid this type of problem. What problem? Boredom syndrome. This is what we face every time. Many people, you come, attend this Maitrimilan, but if it is just part of your daily routine, there will be no life at all. That means gradually it becomes something repeated. No. How we have to make it fresh, evergreen, ever green for every day. That means we have to bring these two factors, Shraddha and Jnana. So these two mantras, karma is restated in this chapter, fourth one. So with Shraddha, commitment, with Jnana, enlightenment and proper understanding, we have to do our duties. Anything. Whether we go to Annapurna, Sadapurna and eat, there also it is Shraddha and Jnana. When we go for Karma Yoga here, there also Shraddha and Jnana. When we attend some academic class, there also Shraddha and Jnana. When we go for some experimentation in our Anveshana, there also it is Shraddha and Jnana. When we participate in many activities, there also Shraddha and Jnana. Though these two important mantras, keywords, master keywords, if we do our duty, Ghana Karmana Gatihi, Karmana Gati will be excellent. Achievement will be excellent. Aims and objectives will be totally fulfilled. That is how we have to understand this karma theory. So this karma theory, today it is supported by two important factors. Please remember, Shraddha and Jnana. Om Tat Sat.